Hello everyone, welcome to our Fitness Gadgets YouTube channel. Today we will show you the top 5 best treadmill workouts for weight loss that are performing best in 2024. UREVO 2-in-1 Under Desk Treadmill Review plus 4 more treadmill reviews. So, are you looking for the best Under Desk treadmills according to your budget? Then this video is for you. This video will help you make your decision. Let's see if we can find the absolute best treadmill Under Desk treadmill for you. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Slim Best Treadmill Workout for Weight Loss. Sunny Health and Fitness Slim is very nice best treadmill workout for weight loss. The tread area of the tread pad is 39L x 14W inches. Track your time, speed, calories, steps and distance on the 14.2 by 5.1 inch display. You can easily increase or decrease the speed using the included remote control. Treadmill speeds range from 0.5 to 3.7 mph. Built-in shock absorbers in treadmills reduce impact and protect your knees, feet and joints. You can use this smooth workout to reduce your physical stress and improve your training sessions. Fully assembled and ready to use, integrated transport wheels make it easy to move and store under the furniture, allowing it to be stored elsewhere when not in use. Maximum recommended user weight is 220 pounds. Designed for safety and power management. Features active usage detection that automatically pauses after 5 seconds of inactivity. A safety clip that activates after 10 minutes of inactivity. Includes power mode. A top fitness brand for over 20 years. Best treadmill workout for weight loss has been delivering premium products and a promise of excellence. If you are looking for a fitness watch, IT is the best treadmill workout for weight loss walking. This could be your next treadmill walking for weight loss. Number 2. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Compared to traditional treadmills, this 2-in-1 Superfit treadmill has 2 modes to meet your different sports needs. When the belt is folded, it can be used as a jogging machine at speeds of 0.6 to 2.5 kilometers per hour. The running speed is 0.6 to 7.5 kilometers per hour when the handrail is raised, and the speed unit can be changed between miles and 1.5 kilometers per hour on the app. With a powerful and very quiet 2.25 horsepower motor, this Superfit treadmill is perfect for home and office use as you can walk and run without disturbing others. Right. The layer shield design provides better shock absorption and noise reduction for a quieter, safer, and more comfortable run. The 5-layer running belt with anti-slip texture has a wide running surface, 39.5 inches by 16 inches, providing effective and safe cushioning for your knees and muscles. Offering a premium running experience, you can connect the Superfit treadmill to your phone via Bluetooth to play music while you exercise. You can use the phone holder to watch videos and chat with friends. With the remote control, battery not included, you can easily adjust the movement speed or stop it instantly. Intelligent app control is perfect for recording exercise data and running with other users. The compact, foldable design and integrated transport wheels allow this treadmill to be easily transported and stored under your desk to save space. If you want to buy the best way to lose weight on treadmill, it is very good quality smart band. You know more about its quality. Number 3. UREVO 2-in-1 Under Desk Treadmill Remote Control Treadmill. The UREVO Stroll Light Treadmill is designed as a wake pad treadmill for fast running and a treadmill machine that allows you to easily continue your exercise while working out. The wide and stable belt allows you to run or walk more freely on. Best treadmill workout for weight loss has been delivering premium products, a promise of excellence, and is less likely to fall off the track. 5-layer non-slip treadmill and integrated silica gel column greatly absorb shock. Displays your exercise data such as speed, distance, time and real time on one screen without manually switching between displays during exercise. You can press the buttons on this running pad or use the remote control to change the speed according to your needs. The powerful 2.5 horsepower motor provides a large load capacity of up to 265 pounds and a walking speed of 12.6 miles per hour with the frame up and 3.8 miles per hour with the frame down. Desk with remote control, easy to carry. The foldable treadmill can be folded and stored and carried with a flick of your wrist. Folded size, 26.4 inch D x 53.1 W x 4.7 h. Walking pad treadmill Under Desk Treadmill If you want to buy the best incline treadmill workout for weight loss, check this out. There are many beautiful best hit workout for fat loss on treadmill. Number 4, Egofit Walker Pro Under Desk Treadmill, best treadmill for home and office. Perfect for office or home training. The best treadmill workout for weight loss. Electric small apartment treadmill comes fully assembled and requires no installation. Small size and same power as an electric treadmill, 2.0 horsepower motor. Regardless of bad weather or small indoor space, you can exercise anytime in front of your office or desk workstation. Perfect for use with height-controlled standing desks. App mobile control and wireless remote control are optional, so you can operate the treadmill as you like. Easy to move with bottom wheels. The LCD monitor counts each step until the goal of 10,000 steps is reached. The noise level is less than 70 dB even at maximum speed, 5.1 kilometers per hour, so you won't be disturbed while working, reading or doing other activities. You can even enjoy a conference call while walking slowly on the treadmill without the person you're talking to. Also, don't worry if you place it on a carpet or mat, as the engine noise can be reduced further. Solidly built as a full-body home gym that supports a maximum user weight of 220 pounds with a net weight of 48.5 pounds. You can rest assured that you'll step onto the deck safely and comfortably. A portable treadmill that can be used for years. Both remote control and app control are convenient to use. Egofit Walker Pro Under Desk Treadmill is the best speed and incline for treadmill to lose weight. Is awesome. Maybe you're next. The best speed on treadmill for weight loss. Check its quality. Number 5, Walking Pad Treadmill Under Desk Treadmill. This noxious walking pad features advanced technology such as running belt anti-deviation technology that ensures precise and uninterrupted movement. This eliminates the need for frequent adjustments due to misalignment and extends the life of the walking pad. This walking pad has a sleek, modern design that not only looks great, but will also help you stay active while you work out. With this under-desk treadmill, you can easily add exercise to your daily life, burn more calories and improve your overall work performance. The walking pad is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. Its slim design fits easily under your desk so you can work and exercise at the same time with ease. The walking pad comes with an independent remote control, which allows you to efficiently control and adjust the speed while walking or running. Speed levels are available from 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour, with speeds increasing in 0.3 miles per hour increments. Maximum weight, 265 pounds. Walking pad treadmill under desk treadmill is the best time on treadmill to lose weight. This could be your best cardio on treadmill for weight loss. So learn more about it by giving a like on the video. You can express your serious opinion about the video. To get fitness product videos, you can subscribe this channel so that you will be notified with a notification as soon as a new video is uploaded.